First practical will be application and use of global positioning system for soil survey. You can write it into your copies because this is a practical class and I will dictate you the whole practical. First of all, I will show you what is GPS look like. So so this is a GPS known as global positioning system. It works on the navigation and through the satellites that are involved that are rotating around our Earth's surface in the atmosphere. They send a signal and location, and by trapping that location, it finds the exact location of where it is surrounded. So this type of structure is known as GPS. Yeah, most of you know when we use Google Maps. When we use Google Maps, we want to know the proper location of a thing. We use GPS technology, global positioning system technology for that. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So second, you will write in next line learning outcomes. Learning outcomes. In this, you write as first point as to learn about GPS device. First is to learn about GPS device. Write the second point. Use of GPS for soil survey. Use of GPS for soil survey. Use of GPS for soil survey. Have you written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Write the third point. Benefits of GPS. Benefits of GPS technology in agriculture. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next write theory. Next write the heading theory. Into it. In the theory part, you can start as you can write it as the development and implementation of the development and implementation of site specific farming has been made possible by global positioning system. Sorry.
सर साइट स्पेसिफिक फार्मिंग के बाद
लिखिए आप the development and implementation of site specific farming has been made possible by the global positioning system or GPS has been made possible by the global positioning system or the GPS when you have written this, please tell me. I will repeat the next line.
Yes, sir. We have written.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the next line. This technology enables the coupling of real-time data this technology enables the coupling
So I
Sir, I-
can-
Yes guys, the internet problem was there. Now कहाँ तक लिखा है आपने?
this technology enables the coupling of
Yes, this technology enables the coupling of real-time data collection with accurate position information, leading to efficient.
sir, can you repeat it, sir?
This technology enable the coupling of real-time data collection with accurate position information, leading to efficient
Data collection.
real-time data collection.
with accurate position information, have you written?
With accurate data collection.
Yes.
Sir, with accurate position information के बाद
उसके बाद लिखिए आप with accurate position information leading to efficient लिख लिया leading to efficient manipulation and analysis of large amount of geographical data, leading to efficient manipulation and analysis of large amount of geographical data. Have you written till this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next line will be GPS based application in precision farming. GPS based application in precision farming are GPS based application in precision farming are used for farm planning, GPS based application GPS based application in precision farming are being used for farm planning, field mapping, soil sampling, tractor guidance, crop scouting, variable rate application, VAR, variable rate application, and yield mapping. And yield mapping. And yield mapping. Have you written till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next you write GPS allows farmer to work during low visibility field condition such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness. GPS allows farmer to work during low visibility field condition such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness.
Low visibility farm condition.
Low visible condition such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness. आपने फॉर एग्जांपल जीपीएस टेक्नोलॉजी और किस काम में यूज आती है? आपने देखा होगा लेजर लेवलिंग मशीन. हैव यू सीन the laser leveler used in soil in the field? Have you seen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There is a machine which use a GPS technology, and it for example, if there are 2 acres of land in your house, so there is uneven uh, some places are high, some places are low, there is some terrain. So to make the field even in the soil, we use the GPS technology known as laser leveler. So it levels the soil, means if one part of your field is 5 centimeter high and another is 3 centimeter high, and there is a difference of 2 centimeters, so laser leveler will level the field. It means by taking the soil from 5 centimeter towards 3 centimeter, and it will levels the land at 4 centimeter. But it calculates which is the value which can be there, and it removes the soil from high, which is high, and takes it to the position where the soil is less, and it maintains the soil level by this. Next you write next you write Next rise. Location information is collected by GPS receivers. Location information is collected by GPS receivers for field mapping, comma boundary, comma rods,
Sir,
comma
location.
location information is collected by GPS receivers. Location information is collected by GPS receivers. Location information is collected by GPS receivers for mapping field, boundaries, comma roads, comma irrigation system, and problem areas in crops such as weeds or disease. For field mapping boundaries, comma roads, comma irrigation system, and problem areas in crops such as weeds or diseases.
Sir, repeat.
Have you written?
No, sir.
Repeat करना sir.
Repeat करें?
Yes sir.
कहाँ से?
थोड़ा फास्ट क्वेश्चन.
Irrigation system के आगे.
दोबारा हम बोल देते हैं सारा. Location information is collected by GPS receivers for mapping field, boundaries, comma roads, comma irrigation system, and problem areas in crops such as weeds or disease.
Such as
Problem areas in crops such as weeds or disease. Location information is collected by GPS receivers for mapping field boundaries, comma roads, comma irrigation system, and problem areas in crops such as weed or diseases. The accuracy of GPS allows farmers to create farm maps. The accuracy of GPS allows farmers to create farm maps with precise results. The accuracy of GPS allows farmers. The accuracy of GPS allows farmers to create farm maps with precise results. Have you written in this?
Yes, sir.
Next you write. Which was the last line you have written? Please repeat to someone.
सर वेटिंग रूम में बहुत स्टूडेंट है.
Waiting
कर
room.
दीजिए.
Waiting room में कोई नहीं शो हो रहा मुझे।
तो मैसेज लिख रहा है मेरे को।
एक सेकंड, लेट मी चेक अगेन।
हो गया सर, हो गया अभी।
The next line. Write the next line. What was the last line, guys?
The accuracy of GPS always far. इसके बाद
Yeah, last line was, I think the accuracy of GPS allows farmers to create farm maps with precise location, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write the next line. Crop advisor use this data collection devices with GPS for accurate positioning to map pest, insect, and weed infestation in the field. Crop advisor use data collection maps with GPS for accurate positioning to map pest, insect, and weed infestation in the field.
Data
Is
collection map
crop advisor use data collection map with GPS for accurate positioning to map pest, insect, and weed infestation in the field. इस लाइन का क्या मतलब है? जो हमारे साइंटिस्ट हैं, जीपीएस टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से हम अपने फील्ड की पहले मैपिंग कर लेते हैं। मैपिंग करके फिर उसी लोकेशन से हम अपनी क्रॉप को देख सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन सी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंसेस इन द क्रॉप, if there any insect or pest is attacking, some crop is showing different symptoms. So उसकी वजह से हम अपना एक डेटा बना सकते हैं, एंड वी कैन use it in future purposes for to manage insect or pest diseases. लिख ली लाइन सभी ने?
no sir can you repeat it once
Yes. Crop advisor use data collection devices with GPS for accurate positioning to map pest, insect, weed infestation in the field.
सर जीपीएस के बाद क्या था?
Written
कलेक्शन डिवाइस विथ जीपीएस
for accurate positioning to map pest, insect, and weed infestation in the field.
फिर फास्ट हो गया सर।
Now I will show you a video how the GPS technology is working. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see, in our space, the different satellites are rotating. So they are receiving and sending the signal to the Earth for the particular location. Like this aircraft is going on, so we can also search it on the Google, what is the position of the plane. So these technology uses GPS system. Okay, I hope you have understood.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
play I'll play it again for better understanding, like how the GPS technology is used in navigation. So by the use of GPS, we get the signals from the satellite moving in the space, and we find a precise location. Whatever use, if we want to locate a, like in India or in Nepal, you can see if we want to search a train, where is the train location? So it is received by the GPS location. So this is the GPS. Write the next line. लास्ट लाइन लिख ली थी ना, इन द फील्ड weed
Yes, sir.
infestation. नेक्स्ट लाइन लिखिए आप. नेक्स्ट लिखिए द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ जीपीएस इन एग्रीकल्चर. नेक्स्ट लिखिए आप द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ जीपीएस, द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ जीपीएस इन एग्रीकल्चर, द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ जीपीएस टेक्नोलॉजी इन एग्रीकल्चर. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग लिखिए द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ जीपीएस इन एग्रीकल्चर टेक्नोलॉजी. Right, first point, it helps in precision soil sampling. It helps in precision soil sampling, comma data collection, comma data analysis, comma variation of chemical application, variation of chemical application, and planting density suitable for specific area of the field. Suitable for specific area of the field.
Sir, repeat it.
It helps in precision soil sampling, comma data collection, comma data analysis, comma localized variation of chemical application, variation of chemical application, and planting density to suit specific areas of the field.
Chemical application in planting.
Density.
Planting density of
And planting density suitable for specific area of the field. Planting density suitable for specific area of the field. Whenever you have written, please tell me. I'll repeat the next one.
next point, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, write the next point, guys. It helps the farmers. It helps the farmers to work through low visibility field condition such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness. It helps the farmers to work through low visibility field condition such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness, and increases productivity.
Sir, low visibility of field condition.
Yes, right. Low visibility field conditions such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness, and increases productivity. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the next point, guys. Write the next point. I think it is our third point,
Yes, sir.
right? The accurately monitored yield data, the accurately monitored yield data enables future site-specific field preparation.
Accurately.
Accurately monitored 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 yield data
Sir, yield data के बाद
you can see in the chat box. I have written in there. The accurately monitored yield data enables future site-specific field preparation. Can you see the message?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, write this point and after finishing, please tell me.
Yes, sir. Written, sir.
Done, sir.
Written?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the next line. The next point I have also written in the chat box. Please, elimination of need for human flaggers increases spray efficiency and minimizes overspray. Whenever you have written, please tell me.
Next point, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next point is also I've sent you. Please write this. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Have you written, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So whatever you have write, how much pages it has been? 1 or 2 pages?
2 pages, sir.
1 page or 2 page you have completed?
2 pages.
Yes, sir.
2 page.
Yes, sir.
Now write Guys,
Yes, sir.
that's
Sir,
that's the
sir,
first. Yes.
excuse me, sir. Can you please explain second last point? Elimination of need for human flaggers increases spray and efficiency of minimizes over spray.
So the second last point was elimination of the need for human flaggers increases pre-efficiency and minimizes overspray. Like by this technology, we came to know that if a farmer is throwing 5 kg of fertilizer in the field, by the use of GPS, we came to know how much fertilizer we have to spray over a particular area. So this is human flaggers भी we don't जो गलती होती है ह्यूमन से जहाँ एक्स्ट्रा हम स्प्रे कर देते हैं बिकॉज वी डोंट नो वी स्प्रे इट बाय हैंड so this can be minimized by the use of GPS technology and overspray can be prevented by it. I hope you have understood,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
अब आपने
Sir,
अब जी बोलिए.
sir, ये GPS allows farmers to work during low visibility farm condition. ये सर मीनिंग क्या है इसका? कैसे रेन बारिश हो रहा है तो सर कैसे जीपीएस ने करना है और फार्मर्स ने करना है फील्ड में काम?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Like this technology is not being used in India. This is used in America and big countries. So like they have fully automatic, tractors and big machines. So they use the GPS technology and the farmer operated from manually. Like they operated through GPS system, internet, and by taking the survey, by taking the proper location, it works. Like if rain is there, a person cannot work. But if he is into some machine and the machine is working itself, he can work it easily. The machine can even work in the rain, right? That was the thing in that point.
ओके सर.
सो आपने सबसे पहले इस प्रैक्टिकल में ऊपर लिखना है ऑब्जेक्टिव. सेकंड फिर आपकी जो लर्निंग आउटकम्स है ना,
यस सर.
लर्निंग आउटकम्स कौन कौन सी लिखी आपने? दोबारा एक बंदा रिपीट करे प्लीज. एनीवन कैन रिपीट इट प्लीज.
To learn about GPS device, use of GPS for soil survey, benefits of GPS technology in agriculture.
Yes. So these the learning outcome you have to write in the last. First, you will write the objective. Second, you will write the equipment required, material required. Into this, you can write GPS, global positioning system device, comma. You can write soil. Then you will write the theory part. Then you will write the theory part. Then you write the theory part in, and in the last you have to write the learning outcome. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And आपने क्या करना है? You have to draw one diagram. I'll show you the diagram. Which type of diagram you have to draw in your lab manual.
सर प्रैक्टिकल भी सेंड कर दीजिए.
हाँ जी.
ये प्रैक्टिकल है ना फाइल में वो भी send कर दीजिए.
क्या कह रहे हैं आप? रिपीट इट. आपकी आवाज में.
तो जो आपने आज लिखवाया है वो कह रहे हैं आप सेंड कर दो ग्रुप में.
क्या कह रहे हैं? दोबारा रिपीट करना सुमन.
सर जो आपने आज लिखवाया है सर वो आप ग्रुप में सेंड कर दो वो कह रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैंने आपको तभी डिक्टेट कराया. यू हैवंट रिटन इट. आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर यू हैव टू राइट इट.
सर लिखा है ना थोड़े थोड़े छूट गए है ना वही.
No problem. If there is problem, you can ask me. किसी ने प्रॉपर लिखा है ग्रुप में, किसी ने पूरा लिखा है? एनी गर्ल, एनी पर्सन
Yes, sir.
which
लिखा
have
हुआ है.
written the Suman, you have written?
Yes, sir.
So you send me a copy on WhatsApp.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay, sir.
इसका आपने जो आपको बोला है ना थ्योरी पार्ट लिख के फिर ये वाली डायग्राम शो करनी है। जो आपको मैंने पहले नहीं दिखाई थी। ये वाली एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करनी है आपको। जीपीएस की इंटरनेट से फोटो ढूंढ के ना, तो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ विद पेंसिल। ओके,
Okay, sir.
ये ड्रॉ करनी है एक डायग्राम, एंड सेकंड यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइक दिस। वेट कीजिए, अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ सेकंड डायग्राम। सेकंड डायग्राम आपने ये करनी है ड्रॉ। This one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You can take a picture or you can, there is a tractor and there is some reference station and the satellites and the tractor is working in the field and how it is receiving the signals and how it is working, right? Can you repeat your, I have to mark the attendance. Can you repeat your roll number in serial order, please?